Hello, good morning. My name is Kathy and I'm a stylist for Superhairpieces. I've been a stylist in the industry for over 15 years. I've worked on sets, I've done wigs, I've done hairpieces for men, and I've just worked in a regular everyday salon doing color, highlights, just the regular stuff. It's been a roller coaster of a ride because I've done several things, just the regular stuff. When we're doing a consultation, we will talk about their lifestyle, their job, do they exercise, plus cost. Sometimes tape is just good, sometimes glue is just good, sometimes you have to do a combination, again, depending on their lifestyle. For tape, again, it all depends on your lifestyle. Like if you're somebody who likes to take it on and off, I will use, Walker's has a blue one. It can last for up to a week, but if you want to take it off in the night, just spray a little alcohol and it'll just come right off. Most people I find that have premature lifting, one, they don't wait long enough for the glue to cure, and two, hot water. Hot water is not your friend. And when they're styling, just be mindful when you're styling. That usually helps with the premature lifting. It's a real lifestyle change for the individual. I would tell you to try it. Life's too short. Just go ahead. You'll be so surprised of how it changes your personality. So just go. What's the worst you can do? Nothing. It's like getting a new car. You have to maintain it. You have to keep it clean. Don't be afraid to try it. Be flexible. You'll be so surprised how good you can look and how it changes your whole persona if you're willing to try something new.